DIYers, what's going on? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking cryptocurrency today and Huckleberry Inu rewards, and they come in Shiba Inu tokens. And for us in this video, this is a 2-month update. Let's take a look. All right, here we are on the computer, and on the screen you can see 3 crypto tokens. And basically what this is a zoomed in portion of our crypto wallet that focuses on these 3 tokens. And we'll start with the top. You'll see a red circle with a toolbox in it. And to the right of that, you see some numbers, followed by the symbol DIY. And this is our very own crypto token for our YouTube channel. And DIY is what we're all about. Do-it-yourself videos covering a massive range of DIY projects, from cars to appliances and so much more. The symbol is DIY, which again stands for do-it-yourself. However, the token name is called Toolbox. However, let's go directly below Toolbox token, and you can see the Huckleberry Inu. And to the right of that is the amount of tokens that we hold in our wallet. And again, this is a 2-month update on the amount of Shiba Inu tokens we have personally earned just by holding Huckleberry Inu tokens in our wallet. However, let's go back to our 1-month update. We did have less Huckleberry Inu tokens during that 1-month update, and we have continued to enjoy the continued growth of Shiba Inu tokens, again just by holding Huckleberry Inu in our wallet. We decided to purchase more Huckleberry Inu tokens, and that is our current amount that we hold in our wallet. Let's go directly below that. You see the Shiba Inu token logo, and to the right of that you see the amount of Shiba Inu tokens we have earned, and directly below that you see a dollar amount, and that is in US dollars. And to clarify those 2 numbers, we'll start with the upper larger and bold number. We have earned just over 2 million Shiba Inu tokens, which currently amount to, at this time of filming, $30.92. Again, in free Shiba Inu tokens. So again, this is a 2-month update. We wanted to share this with everyone that continues having fun trading within the crypto industry. And again, as promised, let's hop up to the top token, again, Toolbox token. Let's hop over to toolboxtoken.com, which again is our YouTube channel crypto token. Here we are on the website, and this is our cryptocurrency token for the entire DIY community, as well as our DIY channel. Again, it's called Toolbox, and the ticker symbol is DIY. And as you can see here, as simple as grabbing your toolbox, below that, buy on UniSwap. We have already created a liquidity pool, which consists of Ethereum as well as Toolbox token. So definitely check that out. To the right of that is a quick little 1-minute video of our announcement of the Toolbox token. So if you got a minute, definitely check that out. And above that, you can see the About, the Guide, Roadmap, Contact, and YouTube. Those are basically just quick links, and by selecting any one of those, it will quickly reroute you on the website to that specific section. To the right of that, Connect Wallet, and by selecting that, you can either connect your MetaMask or we use Wallet Connect, and Wallet Connect is incredible. It's a huge platform that consists of over 100 different wallets. So again, that's pretty awesome. I X that out, scroll down, trusted by over 125,000 followers and counting. That's our YouTube channel, and we've got even more than that right now, which is exciting, and we are very thankful for that. Below that, the token for the DIY community, and every single one of us has a little DIY in our blood, I promise you that. And at the very end of that is our white paper. We spent a lot of time and effort in putting that together, so if you got time and you're curious about our project and ecosystem, definitely check out that white paper. And as we scroll down, additional information to read, and here are our 3 ecosystem tokens. Starting with the Toolbox token, this is our foundational token, again DIY, and at the moment it says claim now, and we recently finished up our pre-sale, and this is where the pre-sale participants can claim their DIY tokens. To the right of that is the Ratchet token. We're really excited about this because this is our membership token, which as you can see here, all Ratchet holders gain access to many perks and benefits, one of which is the staking reward system, which in return allows you to earn our Socket token, aka governance token, which will allow you to gain voting rights for our charity. Below that, membership information on the Ratchet token, and at the moment you can see here the current price for our membership Ratchet token is 36 USDC. All you have to do is select one, or if you want more, that's up to you, and buy now. X that out. Additional token information, and here is the story, which explains why we're doing this and why we're having a lot of fun putting all this together. Our quick start guide, 4 easy steps. List how much DIY you would like to buy, connect your wallet, approve the transaction, and receive the DIY in your wallet. And below that is our roadmap, very important. We have completed phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1 consisted of our token launch, again Toolbox aka DIY, our pre-sale event, as well as the very important step, Etherscan contract verification. Once we accomplished those 3 items in phase 1, we moved on to phase 2, and we got DIY token listed on a decentralized exchange, which was exciting. And that second item, we created that charity wallet that we just talked about. And we are now in phase 3, and this is a heavy phase, and we are excited about this. The Ratchet membership token goes live, the Socket token will be introduced, our DIY DAO will go live, and our liquidity pool staking rewards will go live. And after that, we're on to phase 4. And our hopes is we grow more than 10,000 DIYers, which will be really exciting, and continue listing Toolbox on more exchanges, as well as announcing additional partnerships. Below that, subscribe now. That will take you to our YouTube channel. Here's more information on our charity wallet, and stay in the loop. And I'll go all the way back up to the top. And again, I'll scroll down to right here. Every single one of us has a little DIY in our blood. I'll say that over and over. So definitely check out toolboxtoken.com, get to know more about us, and help us grow into an awesome ecosystem that we can all have a blast participating in. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. From here, do us a favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.